Hi, I'm Greg from EMS, here today to show you how easy it is to use vacation mode on EMS's EMStat thermostat. Most of the time when we think of taking control of our thermostat, we think of comfort. We want the room to be just the right temperature, but taking control of your thermostat is also a great way to save money on your energy bills. You want to tell your heater or air conditioner to not run when you're not there. We do this in one of three ways: setting schedules, temporarily overriding schedules, and by using the vacation mode. I highly recommend that you become familiar with setting schedules and working with override mode before using vacation mode. If you need help with either of these, check out our YouTube videos that walk you through the simple steps. Search for EMStat or search channels for energy management systems. Make sure you see the EMS3 logo. Keep in mind that, like override mode, vacation mode is meant to be used as a temporary setting. Your permanent settings should always be done in schedules. But vacation mode is different than override because it not only lets you set a beginning date, but it also lets you set an end date. Remember, override is a short-term setting, usually 8 hours. Vacation can be days or even weeks. Let's get started. This video assumes that you are familiar with using the basic features of the EMStat and that you have opened the EMStat app on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. The first screen you come to is always the status update screen, indicated by the green highlight. We will be working on vacation mode, so click on Vacation button at the top of the screen. You should now be looking at a screen that looks like this. Check that the vacation status is disabled. If the status is enabled, you need to click the button at the bottom of the screen that says Disable Vacation. Smartphone users will need to use their finger to push the screen up and down. First, we want to set our begin date and time and our end date and time. This is fairly straightforward. You want to set the day and time that you want your EMStat to assume this new temporary setting called begin event. Then set the day you want it to return to the normal schedule, end event. You'll notice that there's no need to set the end event time. Since vacation mode is in 24-hour increments, whatever time you begin will be the same time that vacation mode ends. Next, set your mode and fan to auto. These settings are discussed in more detail in the video for setting schedules, so I won't take any time here. Some people don't want their heat or AC to run at all while they're away. To do this, just set the mode to off and you can skip the next step. Keep in mind, though, that setting the vacation mode to off is not recommended during winter months where freezing pipes are a concern. Our recommended setting is auto. After mode and fan, set the temperature range you want to maintain while you are away. The lower you set your heat setting and the higher you set your cooling setting, the more money you will save. In other words, a wide range saves you more money than a tight range. If you set your begin event date and time, end event date, mode, fan, and temperature range, then the only thing left to do is hit Enable Vacation. When the screen refreshes, you will see the vacation status is now enabled. If you come back from vacation earlier than the date you expected, or if you want to cancel vacation mode for any reason, simply hit Disable Vacation button at any time. The EMStat will go back to the schedule for the current date and time. As you can see, it's really simple and quick to use override mode on your EMStat thermostat. We hope that this video has been helpful in teaching you how to work with vacation mode on your EMStat thermostat. We welcome any comments. Please send them to the email address below. Here are some other resources to help you work with your EMStat thermostat. From everyone in EMS, thanks for tuning in.